Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to look at this 2018 Land Rover Range Rover. It's the flagship of all of Land Rover. It's a great vehicle. It does have the black exterior pack, meaning it's got these black accents as well as the black rims. It is a wonderful vehicle. It has a 5.0 supercharged V8 engine in it, plenty of power and giddy up. Now it does have air suspension, which is nice, and it does have a dual rear door, which is nice because this is weight loading or weight supporting, load bearing, and then it does have power controls for the seats as well as the air suspension from out back. We're going to simply press the one button. It does close both of the tailgate, which is always nice. Out back you have plenty of room for the family or any of your guests, as well as heated rear seats, climate controls, and plenty of charging ports. And this one does have the rear entertainment package, which is always nice for the family. And then up front, that's where everything else is. You have everything. It's got heated seats, cold ventilated seats. It has blind spot. It has the heated steering wheel, heated windshield, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, panoramic sunroof, as well as an upgraded Meridian surround sound system. I want to thank you for your time today. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle on our website, feel free to give us a call or come into the showroom and ask for me. My name is Jordan. I hope you all have a wonderful day.